So this was my reference photo for the most part. I'm starting out with the Peach Perfect foundation in the shade Nude from Too Faced, and then I'm going in with this Fenty concealer, and I'm just basically covering my brows as much as I could. I honestly just didn't want to do the whole glue stick method. I did that for a couple of my other looks. I'm just not doing it here because I honestly use most of my brow, like you'll see in a second. So I just do like 2 or 3 layers of this and cover it up. And then I'm mapping out where my new eyebrow will be, and I'm using the ColourPop eyeliner in the shade Swerve. I honestly really love this eyeliner. It's pretty pigmented, and it's only like, I want to say like $6 or $8. You really can't beat it. It's really great. And then I'm just trying to cover up the rest of my brow with the concealer. Then I'm going in with the Lunar Beauty blush palette and putting blush all over my face basically, and then taking this Stila eyeliner in Espresso to make freckles. And then I'm going in with the shade Hunty from the Life's a Drag palette from Lunar Beauty, and I'm just putting that in my crease and on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking Cake Face from that same palette, and I'm putting it on my brow bone and on my lid. And I'm not cutting my crease or anything. I'm just doing this, you know, the easy way, I guess you could say. And then I think I took Mug from the Lunar Beauty palette, Life the Drag, and I think I just darkened it a teeny bit. Then I'm taking this white eyeliner. I forget where this is from. I think NYX. And I'm just making my eye look bigger, so I put it all over my lower lash line, and then taking these wispies from Ardell and putting them on my lower lashes. And then I was mapping out where my button should go. Then I'm taking this liquid latex, and I'm being very careful not to get it on my eyelashes because I'm pretty sure they'll just rip out. I don't know if you can just get it off in a normal way. And then I split tissue. There we go. A tissue in half. And obviously I made it very thin. And I'm just putting that all over my eye. And then I think I did another layer of this. I think this next clip is me putting on like a 3rd layer of latex. I'm not 100% sure. I think it's the 3rd layer. And then I go over with concealer, and then I blend it out to try to match my skin for the most part. I know it does look lighter, but that just happens sometimes. And then I honestly just put eyelash glue all over the button, stuck it on, and it stuck. It stayed the whole time. And then I'm doing black eyeshadow just to give this some depth near the button. And then I'm putting this fake gel blood from Mehron, which is amazing. It really stays in place and looks really cool and not super real, I guess, but I don't know. It's really nice. It's not really runny and messy. And then I'm going in with the BFF2 pencil from ColourPop, and I'm just making her mouth a little wider because it is a little wider. And then this is, I forgot the shade from Lunar Beauty, but it's from Lunar Beauty. And then I'm taking this wig from Amazon, low-key giving me Billie Eilish vibes. Wink wink. And I'm doing this such the cheap way, you guys. I didn't use the Got2b glue gel stuff. Like, I just did this so quick because I was going to have this on for literally 10 minutes for pictures. So don't follow my lead. This is not how you really should put on a wig, and you got to be really careful. I did have a wig cap on, but you got to be careful you don't cut your actual hair. And then I'm just combing it through, and that's it for the look, you guys. I used this clip because I didn't have a dragonfly, and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and there'll be more to come. Bye.